So over here I'm going to show you how to create HP logo in less than 4 minutes. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is to go to your font and just type at HP. And I'm going to have to put in that to make that bigger, so I will stretch it to increase the font size. Alright, so I need to click on my cycle tool, hold your shift on your keyboard while you're dragging it so that it give you a round circumference. Alright, so I'll take that to the middle. Now HP logo has blue kind of background, so I'm going to go over to I'm going to give it a color blue. Alright, so I'm going to give it a color. So I'll give it a blue. Now I actually need to add another color to it. So it is a perfect color. This is closer to the normal HP, so we might not be able to get the exact font for the HP logo, but we're able to get something closer to it. So I'll go to test, and I'll go to my change case. Alright, so I'll go to change case, and I will have to do lowercase. So I want it to be lowercase. So it's going to be lowercase right up because HP logo is on lowercase. So I'm going to look for a font. I don't really have the exact font, but I'll look for a font that's closer to it. I think this is manageable. This is almost what HP looks like. So I'm going to right click on it and bring it to the front. Alright, since it's at the back, so I'm going to bring it to the front so that it is visible. So I will drag that so it will be bigger than the cycle. The HP logo, normally the HP is bigger. There's some part of it that is not on the cycle. So I'm going to just drag it out a little bit. So I'm going to, the distance between the two fonts. So I have to drag it a little bit. Using our shape tools, right? That's our shape tools. So I'm going to drop my tools and drag it a little bit so it will be bigger than the cycle. So now I have to do power clip, right? Go to plugins and power clip it inside my cycle. Here I have to go make this logo slant a little bit, make the HP slant a little bit. The original HP is actually slant inside the logo, inside the box. So I'm going to have to imitate that. So I'll make it slant a little bit. Alright, so once I'm done, I'm going to so I'll give it a white color. I'll right click and finish edit content. So as you can see, here is my HP logo. So the only thing is that it's not the original font, right? But this is very close. So this is how you create your HP logo. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next class.